The sun just entered its danger zone and the next few months are critical. Your GPS, flights, phone, bankings, all can go down in minutes. Here is how. Imagine a burst of energy from the sun so strong that it could damage satellites, shut down power grids, confuse GPS systems, and collapse global communication. This is not science fiction. It has happened before. An expert warned it will happen again. Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are exploring solar flares, coronal mass ejections (CME), and why 2025 is expected to be one of the most active years for our sun in decades. What are solar flares? Solar flares are sudden explosions on the sun's surface. They release intense radiation, including X-rays and ultraviolet light. According to NASA, a single strong solar flare can release as much energy as billions of hydrogen bombs exploding at once. But radiation from solar flares does not directly reach the ground. Earth's atmosphere blocks it. The real danger comes from charged particles and magnetic shock waves that travel through space. What are coronal mass ejections (CMEs)? A CME is a massive cloud of plasma and magnetic fields thrown out from the sun. NASA estimates that a CME can eject up to 10 billion tons of materials. These clouds move at a speed of 1 to 5 million km per hour. If such a cloud is aimed at Earth, it can create a geomagnetic storm, a disturbance in Earth's magnetic field. Why do they happen? Inside the sun, extremely hot plasma is constantly moving and twisting. This motion creates powerful magnetic fields. Sometimes these magnetic fields get tangled, snap, reconnect suddenly. This releases enormous energy, creating solar flares and CME. This process is well documented by NASA's Solar Dynamic Observatory (SDO). A quick look at the sun size. Earth's diameter is 12,742 kilometers. Sun's diameter is 1.39 million kilometers. That is 109 Earths across the sun, and more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Number 2 is GPS and navigation failure. GPS signals get distorted. Flights may be grounded. Ships lose accurate navigation. Number 3, satellite damage. Solar radiation can disrupt electronics, alter orbits, heat the atmosphere, increasing drag. Number 4, Internet shutdown. A 2021 UC Irvine study warns that a severe geomagnetic storm could damage undersea cable repeaters, break global internet connectivity, and cause outages lasting weeks. Number 5. Radio and communication blackouts. High frequency radio used by ships, airplanes, military, and emergency services can completely fail. Number 6. Increased radiation in space. Astronauts on the ISS may receive dangerous radiation doses. NASA calls solar storms one of the top hazards for crewed missions to the Moon and Mars. How we study the Sun. Scientists use many spacecraft to monitor the Sun. Number 1, SOHO, Solar and Heliospheric Observatory. NASA plus ESA mission at L1 points, active since 1995, provides real-time solar monitoring. Number 2 is SDO, Solar Dynamic Observatory, launched in 2010, takes high-resolution images every 12 seconds, helps track sun's spots, flares and magnetic fields. Number 3 is Parker Solar Probe. NASA missions launched in 2018, first spacecraft to touch the sun's atmosphere, discovered how solar wind accelerates. Number 4 is ESA's Solar Orbit. Captures closest ever images of sun poles, crucial for predicting future solar cycles. Can we predict solar storms? Yes, but not perfectly. When a flare happens, number 1, radiation arrives in 8 minutes. Second, charged particles arrive in hours or a day. And third, CME impact takes 1 to 3 days. This gives scientists some time to warn satellite operators, airlines, and power companies. NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center issues alerts similar to weather warning. So in conclusion, solar storms are a natural part of the sun's behavior. Most are harmless, but once in a while, a powerful one heads to our way. Historical solar disasters. Number 1 is the Carrington Events in 1859. The strongest solar storm ever recorded. What happened? Telegraph system exploded with sparks. Operators received electric shocks. Auroras were visible near the equator. Some people thought morning had arrived early. Particles from the sun reached Earth in just 17 hours. However, normally it takes 2 to 3 days. Scientists believe a similar event today would cause global long duration internet and power failures. Source: NOAA, Royal Astronomical Society. Number 2 is Quebec blackout 1989. A powerful geomagnetic storm shut down the hydro-Quebec power grid. 6 million people lost electricity. Outage lasted 9 to 12 hours. Source: US Geological Survey, USGS. Number 3 is SpaceX Starlink loss in 2022. A solar storm destroyed 40 Starlink satellites, loss worth approx $50 million. Source SpaceX update February 2022. Number 4. Communication failure during Hurricane Ian relief 2022. A solar flare caused radio blackouts, affected US emergency operations, confirmed by NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center. Why 2025 is a major concern? The Sun follows an 11-year cycle of activity. Low activity equal to solar minimum, high activity equal to solar maximum. During a solar maximum, sunspots increase, flare become more frequent, CMEs become stronger, and magnetic poles flip. NASA and ESA confirmed that current solar cycle 25 is rising faster than predicted. Solar maximum is expected around mid-2025. The Sun is showing early, unusually strong flares. This unusual behavior is why scientists are watching very closely. What happens if a big CME hits Earth today? A strong enough CME could cause number 1, power grid failures. Geomagnetic currents can overload transformers. A Carrington level event may damage thousands of them. A global blackout could last weeks to months, according to a National Academy of Sciences report. With solar cycle 25 reaching its peak in 2025, scientists are working harder than ever to monitor the Sun and prepare Earth for extreme space weather. The more we understand our star, the better we can protect our technology and our future. If you like this simplified science breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icons for more such videos. Thanks for watching.